Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland. I want to show you an HOA in Westwood where we're doing a gate for them. They didn't have any gate in here. So we're doing the front gate and we're moving all the power for the low voltage of the entry system. It's going to be on that side. And we increased the height of the gate that they had on the side here. It was about up to here, and we increased the height of it so they have better security. We did that piece in here, which is a stationary piece. Look how beautiful. And that's the gate right here. It's actually getting done right now. Let's close it a little bit. So here it is, and here is our guys. You can see we have about 6 guys working here, so everything is moving very fast, no messing around. We have 2 low voltage guys and 4 of our gate personnel in here doing the work. We did some more work on the driveway gate down below, but that's already been done. As you can see, the door closer on the top, so this gate will close automatically. We'll have an electrified strike. We'll open automatically through a code or by calling into each one of the units, and they'll be able to open it through their phones. So I'll show you another video when everything is done, but look how everything is suitable for this style of building. The arch of the gate been done specifically by the same arch as they already had, and this building gonna be a lot more secure and better looking. So if you need my help, please give me a call at any time. My name is Avi Ben David. I'm at 800-5625-770.